Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to add glow to your videos. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would super appreciate that. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is head over to your edit tab. Make sure that you have the video that you want to add the glow to selected. Head over into your color tab. And then from here, I'm going to delete this node, just show you guys how to do it because I already had a node here. Right click it, press add node, add serial, and then click on the serial. And then you'll see there's an effects tab. Just open it up, and then type in turpin glow, not grow, glow. And then now if I add a glow to this video, as you see, it's going to be slightly different than the one before it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. You can adjust the glow to your liking and all that other kind of stuff. Have a wonderful day.